What's up, y'all? B-Boy Push from Brooklyn. Gonna teach you guys how to breakdance, aka B-Boy or B-Girling. 3 simple ways to get from top rock to footwork. Coming right now. Number 1, we have the Spider-Man. Okay, so Spider-Man, very simple. All we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our right leg. You can also do it on the left side if you want, with your left leg. I'll just do it with my right leg for now. Pick a side. We're gonna do same leg, same arm, right leg, right arm. Right arm's gonna go down in the middle. Generally, we're gonna try to twist our wrist so that it's pointing towards that foot that we just opened up. So I got open. I'm gonna place the hand on the floor. Okay. If you already are comfortable with opening your thumb, you can go right into that stabbed position with your hand. 1, and then we're gonna bring our leg between our other leg and our hand. So there's a sort of a tunnel right there. We're gonna bring the leg in the back through, and we're going to bring it out as if we were going to do a 6-step or some other footwork move. Okay? That's a good transition to 6-step, 3-step, anything like that. So let's do it one more time. We are going to open up our leg at the same time. We're going to bring our right arm straight down into our stabbed hand position to the floor. I'm using the other arm as a counterbalance. Bring the leg through that loop that we just made with our other arm and leg. And there we go. We are now through, and we can get into some other types of footwork from that position. Alright, so let's do this at full speed. Boom, boom, and we are down. Okay? Very simple, very quick. The Spider-Man. Boom. Number 2, to get down, super easy, even easier than number 1, I would say, is just squatting down. So you're going to go from standing with your feet together, squat down, and we're in the squatted position already. Easiest thing to go from here is probably some kickouts. Boom, boom. Okay, you can see our video on that. Again, this is just the squat. If we're coming from basic top rock, we can go towards the center, squat down, and now we're out for some kickouts. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, one more time. Let's do this a little full out. We got top rock, squat down. Okay, I came back up. Let's do it again. Squat down, kick outs, boom. You're already there. Number 3, the last one, a little harder, but not that hard. We are gonna do a corkscrew. So all we're gonna do is cross our legs. We're gonna twist, and instead of just twisting around, we're gonna squat like we just were doing into our footwork position. So wind up, go down, and we did it. This one, we are going to cross our leg, twist our body, and as we're twisting, we are going to try to squat down at the same exact time. Twist, twist and squat. Bring your hands to the ground, and we can just jump out into our spider position. Full speed. Okay, twist, down, out. Okay, from some top rock, twist, down, out. There you go. That was 3 easy ways to go from top rock to footwork in your breakdancing. If you guys like the video, please hit that like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Help out the channel. Help me give it to you more lessons. Okay? Peace. Push from Brooklyn.